Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to highly compress your images free of cost. So you can go and type TinyPNG, and using this tool, you can easily compress your images in different formats. So you can compress your WebP image formats as well as JPEG and AVIF. So you can also check length and pricing. So you can easily compress 20 images free of cost. So let's go back and start uploading images. Let me go and select one of the image from here, this one, and here you can check the actual size of image. This one 1.58 MB. So now after compressing, here you can see 81% is compressed. So now its size is only 300 KB. Now you can easily download this image, and you can use this image in your websites and on different other platforms.